And if you are suffering from acne, pimples, whiteheads or blackheads. Hey guys, I hope you all are doing well and are safe at home, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna be reviewing and talking about this Lotus Botanicals natural baking soda deep cleansing face wash. Now this one is a newly launched product from Lotus Botanicals and I haven't tried their products before, so this is the first time I'm using it, and it's been a week I'm using this face wash. So today I'm gonna be reviewing it and let you guys know what I feel about this particular face wash. So if you are interested in seeing what are my thoughts on this particular product, then please keep on watching, but also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit on that notification bell to stay updated every single time I upload a video, and so that you guys don't miss out on anything. So without rambling much, let's get started. Now Lotus Botanicals is an Indian brand and all of their products are vegan and cruelty free, and also they are free from parabens, sulfate, SLS and all that harmful chemicals that can harm your skin. And also they do come with a recyclable packaging, which is a great thing. Now this retail for 475 rupees and you are getting 180 ml of product, and the quantity is really good, and also it comes under 500 rupees, which is under budget. Now this face wash has baking soda in it. Now this works as a deep pore cleanser, and also it helps clearing your acne, pimples and blackheads. Now if you guys don't know already, baking soda has a lot of skin benefits when it comes to acne and pimples. It also helps in lightening your dark spots and stuff, but I was not into baking soda that much. When it comes to the actual baking soda, I don't like applying it directly on my skin because I have sensitive skin. But when I heard about this product, they have formulated this face wash that has the benefits of baking soda, so I was really interested, because you guys can see I'm breaking out a lot lately and it's been a week that I'm using it. Now if you guys don't know, I have oily, sensitive, acne prone skin. I have super sensitive skin, okay? A little bit of something just makes my skin red and I just break out like no one's business, okay? And this product is suitable for normal to combination to oily skin. Now if you are from a combination to oily skin family, you are gonna love this, but if you have dry skin, you might feel it a little bit drying on the skin. And if you have sensitive skin, a patch test is needed because a lot of people are allergic to baking soda. Now I have sensitive skin, okay? I have super duper sensitive skin. I have tried it on myself and it didn't break me out or react in any way, but still if you have sensitive skin, I would recommend you to do a patch test and then use it. You can do your patch test right here or right here or even right here. Okay, now let's talk about the packaging a bit, and you guys can see this is how it looks like. It comes in this beautiful green bottle, and also it comes with a pump, which is really handy, and I really like the pump packaging products. So here you guys can see I don't have anything on my skin right now, and this is how my face looks like before applying the product, and this is how the face wash looks like. It comes with a pump packaging and you just have to twist the pump like this just to get the product out, and you are supposed to use about a pump. And this is how the actual product looks like. It's very lightweight on the skin, it spreads really evenly all over the skin, and yeah, it feels really nice. So first I apply it all over the skin and massage it really nicely so that it takes out all of the oiliness and gunks from my face. And if you have oily, acne prone skin, this is gonna prevent your skin from breaking out, and also it keeps your rashes and infections at bay. It helps in detoxifying your skin, eliminating impurities and excess oil and sebum production. Now baking soda has mild exfoliating properties and it deeply cleanses your skin without stripping off the skin's natural moisture, and it helps in removing excess oil, dirts and gunks that you have on your skin, and it gives you a very clean, balanced skin. And this is how my skin looks like after applying the face wash. You can clearly see the difference. Now the first thing I really liked about this brand, that they have mentioned all of their ingredients and not just the key ingredients, okay? You can just check the back of the bottle, you can see the ingredients. Also I checked on Nykaa and all of their ingredients was mentioned, so I was really impressed about that. Then the next thing is the packaging and the price point, the quantity you are getting, the quality you are getting. It's amazing, and their packaging is really good. They do come with a pump and the price point is under 500 rupees, which is a good thing. Okay, now let's talk about the product. And the product itself is really good. You just need a coin size amount, and a little bit goes a really long way. You don't have to use a lot, and I would just recommend you to use it once or twice a day and you are done. And if you are suffering from acne, pimples, whiteheads or blackheads, then this is something to go for. Definitely give this one a shot and you are gonna love this one. So yeah guys, that's it. That brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit on that notification bell to stay updated every single time I upload a video, and so that you guys don't miss out on anything. And let me know in the comment section below if you find this video helpful, or if you have any other video request for me. So just let me know in the comment section below. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I will see you in my next one.